right, this is the French knot, and I'll also show you the pistil stitch because it's the same stitch really. But for the French knot, the only tricks I can give are hold it, keep your fabric tight in your hoop, come up where you want your little French knot to be, and then I like to hold on to my hoop between my pointer finger and my middle finger, and then that way it leaves my thumb free to pinch my floss, like so. So I'm going to hold on to my floss, and then I'm going to come in from the back here and wrap around. I'll do two. Just going to rock back and go back in the fabric about 2 threads away from where I'm coming out. And this is the most important part, is keeping this thread right here taut. You want it taut around, you want these little wraps to be taut around the base of your needle there. And you do that by pinching your fabric either to your hoop or to the fabric. And then you just pull through slowly and gently. And there's your little French knot. I'm going to do another one. Holding on, around, rock back, and then down through the fabric. I'll do one more. Holding on, rock around, gently down through. Controlling those little wraps around the base of your needle there is just vitally important. If you were to let go of this, that would unwind and you'd have a sloppy, floppy French knot. Whereas if you're holding on to it like this, if you get a little tangle in there, you can just back it out gently. And it's going to do it twice for you. There we go. But you see, that didn't hurt it because I was holding on to it. Now I'm going to show you a pistil stitch. The only difference between a French knot and a pistil stitch is that you're going to have a long neck on your French knot with the pistil stitch. So I'm going to do my 2 wraps, but I'm going to come down, say, out here. Darn it. It's because somebody's watching. See? So here's my little French knot with this long neck on it. So I'm going to do another one. Holding on here, rock around, come down, and pull through gently. There's my pistil stitch. And that's the only trick I can think of is holding on out like this so that you constantly are in control of the wraps that are around your needle. Oh, also, if you're doing a cluster of them, I would knot off on the back like every 3 or 4 knots. So if you run into trouble with one of them, you can't just take one out. You have to cut them out. You can't just take it out and rethread your needle and start over. So knotting off now and then is a little insurance policy that will make sure that at least you only have a few that you'll have to cut out if that happens. That's all there is to it. It's the French knot and the pistil stitch.